This is 247 lab. So we will go through what are the contents which are there. 247. Let us explore the contents. Yeah. So here use the T command. This is one of the filter. Short command, cut command. Cut is again, we saw that cut and awk similar to that. SCD also is there, streaming editor, and a pipe operator also we will learn. So these are all some of the things which we are going to learn. More or less all of them are pipes and filters only. So for this, there is a data file called CSV. We are going to use that, the content in this CSV. CSV is nothing but an Excel file. We can go through that and then we can make use like an data which is in an organized, okay. So in Excel especially. So we can make use that cut filter and SCD, how these things function. So let this start. So once this starts, this is lab number 247. 247. Yeah, I'm expecting everyone to get ready with the start of this lab. So once this lab is ready, I think task 1 is common for almost all. So you can just connect to this Linux server which is there. And then we will start learning one by one the commands like we will start with T command, T, and then of course short and a pipe operator. Short is very important one. Alphabetically it organizes. Reverse sorting is also possible. So yes, we have a cut command also. Cut command which will cut basically using field whichever field you want, and delimiter also we need to specify. Here comma is the delimiter. So we will learn accordingly. And then there are some additional challenges for SCD. We learn about that SCD also. So these are all the commands which we are going to learn. So if your lab is ready, let us go with, yeah, my lab is ready. So what I'll do, I'll download this PPK. Yeah. And this public IP. See what I do, I log in and I'll wait for you. Yeah, so this is task 1 completed. If all of you are ready, then we will start with task 2. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, task 2 is we are going to learn about this T command, T command. So here, so to validate that you are in EC2, just say that PWD. You will understand that you are in. This is point number 24. So from there, current location, so you can say host name. Host name will display the host name actually. And the pipe, this is a pipe symbol. Again, I tell you pipe. T is the filter which we are going to in this file1.txt. File1.txt. So what happens is that the output of the command host name will see, this is the output which will show. From the following output, you see the standard input. The following output will be in this particular fashion. So yeah, just ensure that you are in what we call as EC2 user. That is a folder in your home directory. And then you can give this command host name with a filter. There is a file1.txt also. File1.txt will be created. So if you say LL, sorry, the company A is there. PWD, you are in home user. So what you can do, host name, just type, don't copy. This is pipe symbol. Pipe symbol is adjacent to backspace with a shift. Once again, backspace is there, left side of that with a shift. You need to, you can give T, this is the filter, I mean, you are redirecting to file1.txt. File1.txt. Yeah, it has. It has. So this is the output host name. You can also see file1.txt is also created along with that. You can also see the contents of file1.txt. Same thing. Simultaneously, both things. It has shown on the screen as well as it has redirected to the file. Like a redirection greater than it has come. T. Yeah, is this clear, everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. This is task 2. This is task 2. Now task 3. Yeah, any questions? If anyone wants explanation, I can give. So we just learned about T. T is a filter which will help you whatever command you give. It will show you on the screen the output plus whatever is the file name which you provide. It will also that in that file name it will also be appended. I mean added. So now let us learn about what is this short filter. Short. So yeah, what you can do maybe. Uh, so there is a you need to redirect some data. You need to redirect some data. I just give this cat greater than means redirection. Test.csv. You can write it here. Cat greater than, what is the file name he mentioned? You can give any file name, nothing specific. Test.csv. Test. CSV is comma separated value. CSV typically an Excel sheet. So it is waiting for input. So he asked basically what you can do. Either you can write it or copy paste. This is the data. This is the data for us to learn the short symbol, short. Okay. All right. Control C. Control C. So he mentioned Control D. Control C is also okay. Control D is also okay. So you can ask this command cat whether the data is still there or not. Yeah, it is there. You see the first character of each and every line. First character. The first character here is F. Here is S. F. S. F. Like this. Randomly it's organized. Randomly. You want this to be sorted out. Is this clear till now? Yes or no? Yeah, till now understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So how to sort this file? So very simple. Just say sort and the file name. The file name is test.csv, the file name. So it is very simple. You got it. You got it. All F's have come. S is the second letter. If it is same, second character, third character, like that, 1, 3, 5. Like that it comes. S. So 2, 4, it has come. Whatever is the order, this is how this grep, this sort will work. Sort will in an ascended format, ascending order it has come. If you say sort hyphen R, it will give reverse order, reverse order. I'll show you that reverse order also, even though it's not listed here. You can say sort hyphen R. It will come reverse. Whatever the file contains, you will see in a reverse. That's okay. So this part is over. Now we will also learn about this pipe. Pipe, find this one. So you want to select only Paris. So there is a word called as Paris here. You want to display only Paris. How to do? How to do? Very simple. So find the pipe symbol. the pipe symbol grep. So grep means it will capture only those files. Sorry, there is a keyboard key just ran. Find pipe grep. Okay, you can say Paris. CP is capital. The file name is test.csv. You can give that. So whatever are the lines which are listed in Paris, if it is found, then it will print, it will show. Then it will show. If it is not there, it will not show. And it is colored also, it is highlighted, saying that you asked to show me Paris in test.csv. Yes, there is one line called as Paris in one of the line. It has shown like this. The output should be similar to this. Understood, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this completes task number 3. Task number 3, we learned about this short and also this pipe symbol, find also, find. You have to practice several times, otherwise it will be difficult. So now there is a cut command. So for this, he is asking you to do something, a file name called as cities.csv. You can create a file. You can say cat greater than cities.csv. CSV. Yeah, you can see this file, cities.csv. Press enter. So you can either type it or copy paste. Right click is always paste. Control D. Yeah. You can just verify cat cities.csv. It is.
Sir, I'm having a doubt, sir.
Yes.
Sir, even we are typing grep command, it is showing the same output, and if we are using the find or redirection grep, it is showing the same output, sir.
Same. You are well appreciated, I tell you. Uh, you can use using find or you can use using grep also. Both ways are correct. You can use both also. I'll show you individually also how you can. Let me complete this cut. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Right. I'll show you. You can use in both ways. So now let me just show you the cut. Okay. So yes, this part is done. So we will understand about how to cut the first field, F for field. Okay. In this cities.csv. You can see this. Okay. So cut -d. What is the delimiter? Comma. Okay, so how do you write this comma? You may not be able to write directly, so you can say space. Okay. This is inverted, I mean single quote, -field. You can ask field 1, F1, you can join also, no problem. And say cities.csv. The first part will come. Only the first part will come. I think even if you don't give quote also, it should work. Let me check. If you say D comma also should work. Yeah, you got it. If I ask for field 2, it will show the second value. Field 2 means the place, Texas, Washington, California, like that it should show. Yeah, it has shown. Understood, everyone? Cut symbol.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. I'll just show you your question. Basically, find as well as grep. First, I'll show you grep. So, what is that file name? Cities, not cities. Paris. Test.csv, right?
.csv, sir.
Yeah, I'll show you how you can grep Paris. CDs.csv, right? No, test.csv, sorry. Test. Did you see the file line using grep?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. Same thing you can even see with find also. Find. 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 But find, there is one strategy. You have to basically define this again within the file, means you have to use grep always within the file. Okay. Find cannot do within the file. It will only see if it is a directory of 100 files. It will tell you which file it is. Like if you want to get a name called as PASSWD, right? Name called as PASSWD, a file name. So you can define maybe like this, find slash PASSWD. Okay. Maybe hyphen print 2 greater than slash dev null. Like this you can work, you can make use. But within the file it will not show. Within the file it will not show. So these are all various folders which is there, where your past PSSWD is there. Where your PSSWD is there.
Yes,
Like
sir.
this.
Got it.
Yeah.
Yes.
Maybe I forgot a string called as hyphen name. That's why it has repeated repeatedly. So now it has shown. Yeah, it is there in etc password, something like that. But grep will show the contents, sorry, yeah, within your file also, within your file also. Mostly we use grep only rather than find. Grep will show most of the things. So I have shown you red grep within the file. Using find and grep, find also if you use, still you need to use grep. That's what which has shown here.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right, I'll just show you where is the command. Yeah, this one. Without grep, you don't get the contents in the file. Same thing which is coming. It's a cut short format. Right, you have SCD. This is something which is called as a find replace. Find replace. So he asked SCD slash S word being replaced by replacement word and the file name. This is what which is the syntax is. Syntax is. So here, let us try to replace something. So he asked us, maybe replace all commas with full stop. Replace all commas with full stop. If you see cat cities.csv, you see all of them are in commas right here, separated. So you want to replace all commas with full stop. That's what he has mentioned. So how to do that? SCD. SCD. Okay. You can say SCD. SCD in quote, search for comma slash dot slash G for global. Okay. And say quote close cities.csv. Cities.csv. It has done. It has done. You can see here. Earlier it is in commas. Now it is replaced as dot. Did you see all? Replacement.
Yes, sir.
Replacement. That is how you should basically understand. See, where is that? The solution. So all this full stops, yeah, has been replaced. Expected output. Yes, you got it. So he has not given the command. He has asked you to, as a challenge, but I have shown you how to do this. This is how you can do. If you say redirect to cities1.csv, it will redirect to a file. Otherwise, it will show you only on the screen. Got it? So the streaming editor, SED is known as streaming editor. This is also important pipe filter, replacement filter, find replace. Like in your notepad or notebook, Word also, find replace is there, right? Same thing. I think that's all about this particular lab.